Docker containers can report their health status. When our remote web server starts, the WinCC OA server is not yet ready to accept connections. As a result, the web server retries the connection after 20 seconds. If the WinCC OA container includes a health check that indicates when the service is ready, the web server container could wait for it before attempting start. The WinCCOA_healthcheck.sh script is executed regularly to monitor the state of the WinCC OA managers using PMON. Additionally, it evaluates the internal WinCC OA error state via the Docker health check.ctl script, ensuring the system remains below a defined threshold, e.g., fewer than 100 failure points, to be considered healthy. In a Docker compose file, this health check can be integrated using the depends_on directive with a condition, service_healthy option. This allows the remote web server container to wait until the WinCC OA service is confirmed to be healthy before starting. As a result, the web server container now correctly waits to start until the WinCC OA server is fully ready and marked as healthy.